Hi guys, from this month's BBC Good Food magazine, I made this ridiculously easy but really delicious baked tomato and mozzarella orzo. You can easily throw it together after work, and it's vegetarian too. You can keep it vegan as well by just leaving out the cheese at the end. First things first, preheat the oven to 200 and take a casserole dish and add 150 grams of dried orzo pasta to it. These are small rice-shaped pieces of pasta. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Next, you're going to get a shop-bought jar of flame-grilled red peppers. The recipe says to take out 2, but these were kind of on the small side, so I just went with 3. Give them a really quick, coarse chop before adding them to the casserole with the orzo. Now take a handful of olives. I'm using black Kalamata pitted olives, and that's probably a bit more than a handful, but just coarsely chop them as well and add them to the casserole. Next, add a generous pinch of chili flakes, about half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 400-gram tin of chopped tomatoes, then half fill that tin with water, swirl it around to rinse it out, and add the water to the casserole as well. Now season well with a good generous pinch of sea salt flakes and a generous grinding of freshly ground black pepper. Then give it a really good mix. Clamp the lid on and transfer it to the oven for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, remove the lid, stir it up and return to the oven for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, stir it up again and set your oven to grill mode. Then take a 125-gram ball of mozzarella and tear it over the pasta. Then return the casserole to the oven and let it cook until the cheese is melted and completely molten and bubbling. Then just serve it up and dig in. I think the great thing about this dish, besides the fact that it's easy and delicious, is that you can really add whatever you want to it, as long as you keep the kind of wet ingredients similar. So you have a tin of tomatoes, half a tin of water, then just add whatever else you like. If you don't like olives, you can leave them out. If you prefer anchovies, you can add them in. It's so easy. Thanks a million for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below and click the bell as well so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. You can let me know how you got on with this recipe on social media if you like. You'll find all the links to my accounts in the description below, as well as the link to my blog where you'll find this full recipe at www.rookiecook.org.